wired in. All the wiring and plumbing is permanent. It's all protected. Battery's not permanently in place yet. And this is just a mock-up to hold the tank in the meantime. $350 on straight headers. Background there we got Sean's Corolla, what's left after Napierville 2011. Bring it back this year. There's Mick's Ford Crown Vic, 5 liter. His Astro, which will be going to Huntington this summer. For those of you wondering, yes, the shifter's going on the floor. The hole's already cut. Driving around on a busted shock with a flat tire. The apple orchard's behind my house. The apple country. Apple country in Hemingford. Shop. My Toyota, my summer daily driver right there. Supporting team logos. My favorite logo, the Dirty Bird Racing. This is Mick's V8 Dakota, which will be going this September in the fall of Napierville Derby. 318 should be very interesting. This is my project for the 8 mod for next year. My 81 Cadillac 368 Coupe de Ville. This will be my trophy winner, I assure you. Trans Am. My Sentra, well, the white Sentra. My Crown Vic, which will be my winter driver this winter and will be my first bubble top in a Derby. 4.6 detective pack, it's a 94. A little bit of a problem with the overdrive on the transmission, so won't beat it up too much until the Derby, and that's probably going to go Wormstown 8-cylinder stock next year. I try not to give it too much gas, I don't want to disturb the neighbors. They put up with my dirty crap all the time. I can't believe I never got this car taken off the road by the cops. Power steering is hooked up, but it never really worked on this car. It's power arms. It's not so bad once you're going, but in a Derby, you miss your power steering. There's the Astro, which with some bending and a new alternator will be coming back for a second go. Mick got second place with that beast. Solid, dirty solid. Crown Vic 2 should be a worthy adversary. And while the Toyota, well, I guess for a 4-cylinder, it's